Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping here. Here in this video, I will be sharing how I made this my delicious jollof rice, and if you want to know how I made it, just sit back and let's get into the video. First, I'm going to steam the chicken that I will be used because I need the chicken to get the chicken stock that I will be used to make this rice. Yeah, over here I'm adding the spices, the quantity that will be okay, and don't exaggerate the quantity of spices. After adding all the spices, I will turn it, then add little water, cover the pot, allow it to cook. Yeah, I'm back after some minutes. The chicken is well cooked. I'm going to set it aside and set another pot on fire with water that I will use to parboil the rice. I just like to parboil the rice before cooking it. If you like, you can just wash your own with hot water without parboiling. Okay, yeah, I'm going to allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Then after 2 minutes, I will bring it down. Then I will wash it very well, set it aside. Then I'm going to start making the stew. Here in a bowl, I have tomato puree and also concentrated tomato. Then I'm going to mix two of them together. Then after mixing the tomatoes very well, I'm going to set a pot on a cooker, then add some flour oil. After that, I'm going to add chopped onion and fry it like a minute. Then I will pour in tomato puree. I'm going to cover it and allow it to be frying. Then I'm back after some minutes. The tomato had fried enough. So I'm going to add the rice. Add the chicken stock. Then I'm going to stir it very well. I'm not going to add any other spices because I have already added enough spices when cooking chicken. Then after stirring it very well, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then after that, I will come back again. Then I'm going to turn it very well, mix it very well, then recover it with aluminum paper and allow it to be cooking on a very low heat. Here I'm back again. Open the rice. It is well cooked, ready to eat or ready to go down. So I'm going to bring it down and start dishing out. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Remain blessed.